Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out the VacLife. This is a air pump for your car or your home. So let's get started. So guys, what I like about this is it's for car or house. So that is a plus. So guys, let's show you everything you get. So this is the plug for your home. This is the plug for your vehicle. They give you these little extensions as well as it looks like a fuse in there. So this is for your air line. Here's your air line. Just your standard airline. Has a locking ability with this little clip here. And this is the actual unit itself. So nice, simple, and compact. Pull this tape off, and this is probably your handle. So you got a light on the front. You have both your plugs. You have your different buttons on the top here. Power button, plus, minus, and R. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in. If you guys want to pause this, you can read what this says. Alright guys, so once you have it plugged in, you press and hold the power button. You can set your PSI. So you got PSI, bar, KPA, kg, cm. For us, we're going to use PSI. And then you just simply press the power button. Once it hits the target, it auto turns off. So great auto off feature so you don't over inflate whatever you're using. So guys, nice little unit. We're going to be using this once bike season comes. So we're going to be using this to fill up air in our bike tires. So overall guys, a great indoor outdoor unit with your vehicle or with your house.